And hey guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have a new model for you. It's from Unihertz, and this is a new phone, and it's called Luna. Yes, the Unihertz Luna. Today I'm going to have a very quick and unboxing video on this new model, and today we got the white edition, and it has a 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. The next I'm going to unbox it and let's check what's inside this box. And okay, so here let's open it, and as you can see, after we open it you can find another small box. And also this time the design of the books, they use a very special material, and at different angles we can get different light, different colors. I think this is maybe a hint from something. Yes, now we open the open the books, and the small box, and here is a SIM card ejector, and here some two screen protector. This is the kind of glass material, good quality, and here is a soft screen protector, kind of plastic. And also we can got two wipes to clean the screen when you want to use the screen protector. And here is instructions, use the menus, warranty card about this model, and if you find basic information and quick introduction about this new model from Unihertz Luna. And this time they have some really interesting features. I think we will need this book and we can learn how to use it. Yep, Unihertz Luna. Ready card, this unique card. Yeah, so this is all things inside this small package, small box. Yes, next is today's main actual Luna, and here, as we can find that it was protected in a plastic bag. And before we check my phone, we can find that under this phone there are another two accessories. First is the cable, Type-C cable. Yep. Okay, let's get it out from the soft plastic bag first. Okay, so now here is the cable. It's a Type-C to USB-C cable. Yep. And this time for this model they have a 5000 big batteries with 18-watt charging. So this is the charger. It's not big, and just the normal charger they provide. Yes, this is the old accessories on the smartphone. Next, let's come to the point. Let's get the Unihertz Luna out from the protector and check smartphone. And in the front side of the bag we find that they gave some instructions about the keys, volume button, programmer button. Okay, here we get the Unihertz Luna out of the bag, and we can find that it was also protected by a transparent soft plastic case. Nice. Normally they will put this plastic back in the first small box we saw, but okay, it's different. And this now we have the final appearance of this model from Unihertz Luna, and I check the framework, and the mental framework reminds me of Apple products. And next I'm going to turn on it. And also this time they use a kind of material. They call it chrome mantle. Chrome mantle. Yes. Even the buttons they use covered by the chrome mantle, and this is kind of very special part mantle in the world. Yeah. This is the programming key buttons. We can customize it for the push to talk and for the use as a shortcut to the applications. Okay, let's go to enter the OS, and now we already picked up the smartphone and enter the OS. Yes. To be frank, this phone really reminds me of two devices. First is Apple, and then the next is the Nothing phone from Nothing brand. That was founded by Carl Pei, who is the founder of OnePlus before, and even the back panel. Yes, back panel is really similar to the Nothing phones, but the camera design is similar to the Apple. Yes, we can find that the back panel have different LED light lengths. I think this will be the most interesting part. Because I think the light strips will be very interesting when we test it. Yeah. Okay, next. Let's go to test it, and we go to the smartphone to check the basic information about this product. And this time, this phone uses the MediaTek MTK 6789 processor. It also has a 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, support UFS 2.2, and it uses the Android 12 OS. And also the screen this time is a 6.81 inch 2400 by 1080 screen. Here is the shortcut settings. And also this time they support Bluetooth 5.3, and also for the camera is 108 megapixels main camera plus 20 megapixel night vision and 2 megapixel macro lens. And also it's 32 megapixel front camera. Here is the LED light settings, and we can find that it supports a lot of. We can choose LED function. It means you can get different light strip shining performance when we choose different camera notification, phones notification. If push to talk, this is for the push to talk. We can use it for the shortcut of push to talk. And here is the LED. Yep. No, let's try to. Yep. Here we camera. So here is the dancing. Now we can find that. Now the light strip is dancing and it's shining, and the color changes time by time. And yes, color of change, we can adjust it through the shortcut icons in the front of page. And also besides the LED light, I also want to see that this time the dimension of this device is really nice and not so heavy. is 269 grams, and also it's have a 168 mm plus 76.8 mm and 9.9 mm for the thickness. Now we're charging it, and we can also find when we charge it, it have a different animation of the charging, and also the light. It also different. Yeah. So this is very funny, and we can find that in the front of the books. The design, the images is just similar to the back panel of the smartphone, and also the color changing material. The box is also just a hint of the color changing LED strip of this smartphone. So this is very interesting products from Unihertz Luna, and also this. And also, I will say this brand, they always focus on some special forms. That's very interesting. Next, we can check other certifications, display, refresh rate, and also the light. No, cannot. Yes, can the brightness of the light. Yep, very interesting. More specification. And also this phone, I think you have some special features. I think I should mention, like the remote controller. It can be used as a remote control because it supports in-framed. And also the 3.5 mm headphone jacket is a bit old school style. And also this time I think we don't have time to test camera, because this time we also have a night vision camera 20 megapixels, so it can provide good quality images in dark environment. And also the main camera is 108 megapixels. This can bring us a very good quality pictures. And also this time the most attractive part is the design. I think it is second LED light phones in the market after announcing phone, and the price is much cheaper than the Unihertz, and also the integrated the Apple and nothing. So it's a very unique design and very funny things. Yes, that we can find in such a small smartphone brand. Yeah. So it's shining, it's color changing, and also it's very nice. Box as well. It means even you put this phone in a desk and the back panel in front, you can know what's coming. Message in phones from the LED light mode. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.